Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, December 1. The Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, and the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, are embarking on a landmark renewable energy and energy efficiency project. The deployment of renewable energy and improvement of energy efficiency in the public sector project was officially launched yesterday. Funding comes from the Global Environment Facility and the PCJ, with contributions from the UNDP and the Development Bank of Jamaica. It will be implemented by UNDP Jamaica and the PCJ. The project will support the improvement of service standards in renewable energy and energy efficiency sector, and the reduction of public sector expenditure on electricity.
This intervention will serve to bolster our ongoing efforts to reduce public sector energy consumption while driving efficiency.
It is also intended to contribute to the development of an energy services company, ESCO industry in Jamaica. A $400 million contract agreement has been signed between the Caribbean Maritime Institute, CMI, and Petrocaribe for the construction of a FESTO Fact Center at the CMI. A FESTO certification is a global stamp of approval for specialized engineers, such as those who will be trained at the CMI. It operates in much the same way as the ACC accreditation for accountants and Cisco for computer science practitioners. Transport Minister Mike Henry says the signing signals the CMI's unstoppable march towards modernity. His remarks were delivered at yesterday's signing ceremony by Chief Technical Director in the ministry, Dr. Janine Dawkins.
We are now going to be in a position to train and certify students in high-tech jobs in production systems, such as bottling companies, as well as the automotive and biomedical industries. We are forging a partnership to advance skills development as we add value to government's growth agenda.
The FESTO Fact Center will be CMI's fourth school and will offer world-class training and certification in robotics, mechatronics, and automotive engineering. It will be the only one of its kind in the English-speaking Caribbean. Data coming out of the Ministry of Agriculture has revealed a downward trend in the country's food import bill. A reduction of 0.7% or $2.4 million was registered for the January to May 2016 period. Agriculture and Fisheries Minister Carl Samuda made the announcement in a message delivered by the ministry's Chief Technical Director Stephen Wedderburn. He was addressing the 13th anniversary of the Eat Jamaica Day exposition. Mr. Wedderburn said the reduction was due to initiatives such as the Eat Jamaican campaign, the Import Substitution Program, and the Onion Development Program.
Government certainly recognizes the need to eat things Jamaican, and we have been encouraging the production and the consumption of locally grown food as a way of reducing our large food import bill and of achieving food security.
The Import Substitution Program has also resulted in increased poultry production.
Since the launch of the Import Substitution Program, we have moved from producing some 72 million kilograms of poultry meat to last year producing 112 million kilograms. And we expect to surpass that amount significantly this year.
Self-sufficiency in egg production has also been maintained for the last 6 years, with reserves for exports to CARICOM countries. Meanwhile, traditional domestic food exports for January to May this year also increased by 19.95%. Manchester and other parishes in central Jamaica are poised to benefit from more investments in the business process outsourcing (BPO) sector. He says a number of companies have indicated a desire to expand their operations into that area of the island, having seen the success of entities like Sutherland Global Services.
They talk to one another. They see the productivity. They have experienced the productivity. They want to come and operate from Manchester as well as Clarendon and other areas of central Jamaica. We have to continue with that because we have a long way to go and we have a lot of people that require and need and are in urgent need of gainful employment.
Minister Shaw was speaking at the recent official opening of the expanded Rapid True Value store in Mandeville. And finally, veteran teacher and former JTA President Juno Gale is the recipient of this year's Jamaica Teachers Association Roll of Honor Award. Mr. Gale was presented the award on Tuesday evening at a ceremony held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid says the award affirms the importance the JTA places on adherence to principles and service to mankind.
We live in an age where too many adults in fact, set bad examples for our children by living by a motto that says that the end justifies the means. Or if you can do it and get away with it, that means you are smart. More than ever, we must drive home to our young the importance of doing the right thing because it is the right thing. In Junior Gale, we have therefore found a professional colleague who did not seek to advance himself by self-serving aggrandizement.
Juno Gale has a teaching career spanning 40 years. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.